You won't believe with just 2 ingredients, you'll be able to make your own condensed milk at home. Just 2 ingredients. Amazing, right? Hi, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are doing something really easy, and I'm sure this will cut costs for you in your kitchen. So let's make condensed milk. All you need for your condensed milk is your milk and your sugar with little water. Just small water. And after this video, you will be able to make your own condensed milk at home. Let's get right into it. Wait. If you've not subscribed yet, please quickly hit the subscribe button. You will be the first to get notified once you hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up after this video. Your likes, your comments, your subscription, every single thing means a lot to me. And when I see them, I just have a feeling that I am doing something right. Now, while my gas is still turned off, I'm not going to on my gas now. I'm going to place my pot on my gas. Then I'll go in with 1 cup of powdered milk, half cup of granulated white sugar, and half cup of water. Now with my hand whisk, I'm going to be giving this a very good stir just before I on the gas. You see, I've not yet on my gas. You want to mix to combine. You don't want any lumps. You just want to mix the sugar, the milk and the water so that everything can bond together. It can look like a perfect liquid just before you on your gas. Already, this mixture is already very thick, but I'm going to on my gas and let it cook so that the sugar can melt and everything can just rhyme into each other properly. So let's on our gas. On low heat, medium low heat. I'm going to place my pot and begin to stir continuously. You don't want to remove your hand from stirring. You need to stir continuously so that your milk doesn't get burnt. Because once you just remove your hand, 2 seconds like this, your milk have burned. Now it's thick enough, and I'm just going to off my heat real quick because I don't want my milk to get burnt. If care is not taken, your milk is going to get burnt. So I'm just going to allow this cool a little bit before I store it into my storage container. It's thick enough for me, and once it cools down, it gets thicker. My goodness, I'm sure by now you should be able to make condensed milk by yourself at home because it's so easy and it requires few ingredients, and I'm sure this will help you cut costs in your kitchen. So will you be recreating this recipe? Will you try it out? And trust me, it tastes as good as condensed milk. No quality reduced, just so good, like your regular store-bought condensed milk. And if you don't like this consistency, maybe this consistency is a little bit light for you, feel free to cook it more on heat. The more you cook, the more thicker it gets. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Of course, I'm sure you've gained 1 or 2 from this video. Don't forget to drop your comment and your suggestion in the comment section. Send me feedbacks on Instagram, TikTok. You can also even drop your feedbacks in the YouTube comment section. I'll be smiling when I see your feedbacks. See you in my next one. Bye bye.